My car's been idling rough and drinking gas like it's free. Today, I'm cleaning the fuel injectors without removing them, and I'll prove the before and after. First, the baseline. I let the engine reach operating temp. On my phone OBD app, short-term fuel trim at idle is bouncing plus 112 to plus 115%. I place a coin on the engine cover. It's rattling like crazy. Quick 0-60 pull on a flat road gives me 9.8 seconds. That's our before. Here's the plan. A professional-grade fuel system cleaner that treats the tank, a throttle body clean, and fresh top-tier gas. No tools, no teardown. Step 1. Fuel level. I run the tank down to about a quarter. Concentrated mixtures. Clean better. Step 2. I pour a full bottle of injector cleaner into the tank. Check the label for your tank size. I use one with PA, the detergent that actually survives combustion. Step 3. I fill up with top-tier fuel to about half a tank to mix and keep it strong. Step 4. Throttle body touch-up. Engine off, intake tube off, MAF sensor covered. Do not spray the MAF. I spray throttle body cleaner on a microfiber and wipe the plate, and bore, holding the plate open by hand. No puddles, no soaking. Tube back on, clamp snug. Step 5. Drive cycle. I start the engine and let it idle 2 minutes. Then I take a 20-30 minute drive. 5 minutes steady at 40 or 15 paintfrequency, a few strong accelerations up to highway speed, and some light cruising. This keeps the injectors pulsing and the cleaner working. Back to the same tests. Idle again at operating temp. Short-term fuel trim now floats around plus 2 to plus 4%. The coin? Way steadier. Another 0-60 run, 9.1 seconds. Not a race car, but smoother, quicker, and the throttle feels cleaner. Pro tips to keep it that way. Use top-tier fuel weekly. Add a PA cleaner every $5,000 7,500 miles, or before long trips. Replace the engine air filter on schedule. If trims stay high, or misfires persist, get the injectors flow tested. Stuck or leaking units need professional service. That's a no-wrench injector, clean, with real, before-after proof. If your idle's shaky or MPG is down, try this exact routine and track the numbers. You'll feel the difference.